Okay, so today is 7/25, and this is another installment of Anarchist literature. Today we're actually going to showcase some vintage stuff that we picked up, and actually I already opened up the package, so it'll be a lot easier um, to showcase them. And so I was actually kind of surprised because actually I did get a couple of first printings. I don't know if I'm going to hold these off for book fair. I'm hoping to hear back that I'll be doing in October for the Bay Area Anarchist Book Fair. But I'm going to show you these. These are the first printings. Um, so let's try to slide these over so I can show you the titles in case you guys come across these and think, are they worth picking up? Um, these are the first printings. So we have these are all vintage paperbacks from the 70s or something. So this is the first one. Um, I can't see that well. Um, the Black Panthers, Elvis Cleaver, Hugh Pinion, Bobby Seale, The Complete Study, Angry Young Revolution, have Shakur a Black Verse or FIST at White America. This is the first printing. The way I could tell it is I looked inside of it and it said first printing. I can't remember what year it was, 1969. We have a first edition of Bobby Seale's classic book, Soul on Ice. And I'll pop this open so you can see the cover better. And I'll reclose that up. I mean, none of these are in really good condition. I mean, you can't really see it there, but the painted paper is fading, has been fading for a long time. And then this is another one. And I did not even know about this until I looked at this person's paperback shop on Etsy. I'm not going to say who it is because I really do like the person. And I will be doing more business with them, even though these are not in the greatest condition. I already knew this was not in good condition. Free Kiwi by Edward M. K. A. T. I. N. G. Not in really good condition. A lot of water stains and damages on the inside. Painted paper is faded to where there's almost no green left on it. And then these are the other ones. So we have the first one is Soledad Brothers, Prison Letters of George Jackson. I do have another book that I'm going to be bringing up to the book fair in October. I'll slide it. I'll show it. And just the red dot is what was keeping it closed. This is the paperback. I have a much more thicker version of it. Let's see what else we have. Those Cleaver post-prison writings and speeches. These were not first printings, so I'll put these off to the side so I don't get them confused. And then the last two ones is the same book. This.